So I have a very tiny tip for you today. This will be a really short video. So, sometimes you want to remove paint. And I really like when you can remove the paint sort of very roughly with alcohol and a stencil. So it adds a little bit of a pattern, but you can control how much of the paint you want to remove, and it leaves a very organic shape. It's not a perfect shape. And I think it's like the best way. It's better than dry brushing, I think. Although you can very lightly dry brush with like a transparency, that's also a really cool effect, sort of a ghosting. But this is something different. This is really brings out the texture if you have a lot of layers of paint. It's very cool. So, and it's super simple. Paper towels, alcohol, a stencil. You don't even have to use a stencil. You could just do it with alcohol on your finger and make a shape. So let's take a look. So this technique requires like a fresh application of acrylic paint because once it dries for too long, then it's not going to work. So I'm just going to add to this test board a little bit. I mean, this might end up being something someday, who knows? But for now, I'm trying different techniques on it, and it's like my play board. I always keep one of them around. I used to have a wooden one years ago. I think it's a good idea to have something that you could just pick up and say, let me try this on it, And sometimes they look really cool at different stages. And I photograph them because I really like what's happening. And but then they get covered up again. All right, so this is a fresh application of paint. We're going to let it dry just a little bit, but not overnight. If we let it dry overnight, most likely it will be fully cured and we will not be able to do this alcohol technique that I'm going to show you. So we're not going to spritz, we're going to use alcohol on a little rag, and we're just going to try to remove some of this with a stencil. But we have to wait for it to dry just a little bit. I'll be right back. All right, so I have alcohol in a spray bottle, and I have some paper towels. I'm going to get a clean paper towel and a stencil. And I'm going to just spray onto this paper towel. I think this is dry now, dry enough anyway. And we're just going to remove some of the paint. I have a very textured canvas here, so it's not totally coming off, but that's the effect that we want to get, which if we were, using a brush, we would have two perfect, it would just be too perfect. It wouldn't give us the same effect. And this way we could just get, a rough idea of the stencil. Much better than if we dry brushed. So let me zoom in on that so you could see. We could try to get that effect with dry brushing, but I don't think it would happen. So that's the tiny tip today. It's just alcohol, paper towel, and paint that's just dried. If you wait, even I did a hair dryer on it, so I maybe dried it a little bit more than I should have. But I had also done this technique over here. And then this one is dry brushed, so you could see the difference. Actually, these were all dry brushed. These are the ones that I did with the alcohol. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy these tiny tips every Thursday. Tiny tip until I run out of ideas, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, don't forget to create, inspire, and share, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.